Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel English for Professionals. So today we'll discuss something about neither. Neither. How do you pronounce this? Neither or neither. Both are correct, right? Both are correct in the sense. Usually British English they use neither and American English they use neither. Now please understand this is somewhat different from other words. Now as an example, if you say dimension, that is American, dimension is British, direct is American, direct is British, but in this case neither is British, neither is American. But also please understand neither and neither both are accepted in British English and in American English. Okay, so only thing is neither is preferred in British and neither is preferred in American. So how do you use neither? So what is the meaning of that? Neither, not this thing, not that thing, that is neither, right? So when you come to use neither, you can say as an example, neither Sri Lanka nor South Africa qualified for the finals. Neither Sri Lanka nor South Africa qualified for the final. So that means Sri Lanka was not qualified for the finals and South Africa was also not qualified for the finals. Not this one, not that one. Okay. Again, you can use this neither to say that it's like okay. I'll explain with an example. Neither of his parents are educated. Neither of his parents are educated. So that means basically his father is not educated and his mother is also not educated. Okay, so none of them. That is the meaning, right? So, but here now I think, of course, you know these things, right? Because actually I'm teaching to professionals, you know these things. So why I am trying to teach them? Because you have to think about these verbs and whether this is singular or plural. So don't write neither of his parent, that's wrong. Neither of his parents, plural, right? And the verb has to match with the noun. So noun is plural, so it has to, this verb has to be plural as well. Neither of his parents are educated. Don't say neither of his parent is educated. So that is not going to work, it's wrong, right? And now you can use neither in another sentence pattern. In another sentence pattern like this. Okay, I was not there and neither was he. Have you come through this sentence pattern? I was not there and neither was he. That means I was not there and he was also not there. Now remember how you are going to write it. I was not there and neither, not he was, neither was he, neither was he. Another one we can write like this. Uh, I did not go to the supermarket and neither what? Neither did she. Neither did she. I did not go to the supermarket and neither did she. Okay, that means I didn't go to the supermarket and she also didn't go to the supermarket. So none of us went to the supermarket. Okay, so just check the sentence pattern. I did not go to supermarket and neither did she and neither did she. So these are some kind of some advanced grammar patterns, but don't use these things in spoken English. Okay, don't go somewhere and say I didn't go to the supermarket and neither did she. No, it's a joke, right? So it's like book speaking. So you can better say, I didn't go to the supermarket. She also didn't go. Uh, we both didn't go to the supermarket. There are so many methods. You can use that, right? But don't speak like a book. Okay, that is one thing that you have to understand in English language. So what else? And another thing I want to tell you, right? I'm just grasping, right? The things that I have to teach you. Yeah. Then neither you or I. Sorry, either you know, right? Neither you know I. Then what is the verb that has to come? Am or are. Am or are. Neither you know I am or I are, say teachers. Neither you know I am or I are teachers. So what is the correct one? Now please understand, English is a global language. Okay, there are many in different parts of the world that is used in that is used differently. Okay, so there is no something called this is the correct one, this is the wrong one. No, there's nothing like that. Okay, if many people use the language in some particular pattern, that is going to be correct, right? So in that case, now I have seen uh, some people are debating, especially even these English teachers are debating, not in Sri Lanka, internationally in their forums, what is the correct one. Some say I am is correct, some say here I is correct. Both have reasons. Okay, those who say this am is correct, they say here when it comes to neither you nor I, the verb should match with the nearest uh, this one, nearest noun, sorry, nearest pronoun. Okay, so I am, therefore I am is correct. Neither you nor I am teachers, right? And then some others argue no, when you put this no, it's a conjugation. Therefore, this should, you and I both should be taken collectively. So neither you nor I are teachers. Okay, so that is why now there are uh, many debates going on English forums, so you can just check what is correct. So as a professional, so what you are going to do, whether you are going to use am or are here. So if I were you, I will not use neither. Okay, is that correct? I will not use neither. Double negative. Okay, so that's wrong. So you have to say I will not use. No, that is not going to work. Say if I say I will not use either, no, I will use neither. So that is the best thing. Just think. So how that sentence pattern is coming, right? Instead, I will say he is not a teacher and I am not a teacher. Or I can say he is not a teacher, neither am I. Okay, he's not a teacher, neither am I. Because if there is some kind of some debate, or if there is some uncertainty, best thing is not to, because this uncertainty is not about us, right? Even with the local people, there is an uncertainty about this grammar. So the best thing is avoid such kind of sentence patterns, right? Okay, thank you very much. I think it is enough for today. Have a nice day.